Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the date format on your Canon i-SENSYS MF650. So first, what you guys need to do is click the home screen button. Now here we need to click on the menu and let's go over to preferences now. Here we need to go to timer/energy settings. And here we have the date format. So I accidentally clicked on something here. Here we can first make the year, month, and then day, or month, day, year, or day, month, year. So you guys can use the month, day, year, or day, month, year. It's basically all up to your preference. As you guys can see, I've just changed it in a click. And now I'll show you how to easily change it in the second way. So as you guys can see, we are on the side of the printer. Now here it's at /p timer.html, or simply click on the settings and registration on the right side, then go to the timer settings in the preferences. Here click on edit and let me quickly log in again. Here settings and registration. Now go to the timer settings and here click on edit. As you guys can see here, we can change it. So basically it's right here, date format. As you guys can see, here we have the month, day, year, and we have three options just like on our printer. So now we can change it, click OK, and it will also apply for our printer automatically. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.